Welcome to Janice Pronunciation Guide, where we look at how to pronounce some of the most mispronounced English words in the world. Stay tuned and subscribe to the channel to learn more pronunciation guide. He is one of the most talked about young actors today, starring in films and have captured audiences worldwide. If you have ever struggled with saying his name correctly, here's a clear guide. The name is Timothée Chalamet. Timothée Chalamet. And the correct pronunciation is Timothée Chalamet. Break it down like this. T, like the letter T. Mo rhymes with go. Te, like day in te. Sha, like sha. La, like la. May rhymes with day. Put it together is Timothée Chalamet. That's it. Timothée Chalamet. Timothée Chalamet. Timothée Chalamet. Timothée Chalamet. Timothée Chalamet. Timothée Chalamet. That's it. Be sure to check out more videos on how to pronounce names that are difficult to pronounce. See you in the next video. Keep learning. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.